I'm Dr. Marnie Nussbaum, a board-certified dermatologist, and I'm here to discuss retinol. Since there's so many questions about how to start retinol, how to use retinol, and there's a ton of myths out there, we wanted to debunk them and see what's true and what's false. False. Everyone can use retinol, except if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. You just have to start with a lower potency and a more decreased frequency. Your ramp up might be slower than others, but it'll actually help you acclimate easier. False. Many people think if it's not a prescription, it's not efficacious. That's actually not true. The percentage of retinol matters. True. However, the answer is more nuanced. Your percentage of retinol, usually being 0.025 or 0.05 or 0.1, is definitely a ramp up. However, each 0.05% is not equal to another 0.05% from a different brand. What matters is the other skin actives that may be stabilizing it or destabilizing it. So you want to use a retinol that you know has skin actives that work well together. Also, retinol formulations can vary widely. Many of the retinols that you may have in a bottle or a jar are not stable. So you really have to know which retinols are stabilized and which do not oxidize. False. You can use retinol all year round. People think they can't use retinol in the summer months because they're going out and getting sunburned. It's not due to the retinol. The retinol can actually be destabilized by the sun, and you can be getting irritated by the sun. And then when you apply your retinol, you get further irritation because you're not applying it to healthy skin. False. Many people come to me with a 10-step routine. And what happens is they layer and layer and layer products on top of each other until it's sticky and pills. I really doubt that the layer that's on the top is absorbing as well as the layer on the bottom. That's why I favor a more minimal, streamlined approach with a few products that have wonderful skin actives that are potent and efficacious. It's so great that Opulus Beauty Labs has created really a no-brainer. It's one Opul and you're done.